It is day one of turning $100 into $1 million trading crypto. Yes, that does sound crazy. I've done $1,000 to $100,000 in 2 weeks, so I'm giving myself a bigger challenge. $100 into $1 million. We're already up 300%, and we have some followers following along. Today, I'm showing you the #1 trade you should be taking if you're trying to pass a funded account, make money and leverage crypto. Whatever it is, it works across the board. I'm going to show you a live trade I took, how that trade played out. This is not some replay candle BS that everyone does and says, oh, look at it hit. No, we don't do that here. We do live trading with real results, not some BS candle replay and say, oh, yeah, that works. Find one that worked for you and that worked. No, this is live. For this challenge, I am trading Bitcoin. That's my specialty. But for you futures NQ traders, let me show you the comparison of a trade I took on NQ, which I'm also doing a futures challenge to prove that I can also trade that. I've passed numerous challenges. I just trade live accounts, though. I don't do all the challenges. But let me show you the trade. All right, we are on TradingView, of course. I use TradingView, NinjaTrader, everything, but I normally chart on TradingView. But right now, for some reason, I've delayed candles. Anyways, that doesn't matter. So, as you guys can see from that little glimpse of the video, we took a short from here, right here. Come on, give me the marker. Down to here. Bang. The reason why, play that clip now. All right, boys, let me go over why I'm hammering this. If this goes to 30,030, this trade is dead anyways. If this goes down here, we're golden. So this is going to make us around $2,000 to $3,000 right here, and it's a high probability trade. It's the best trade you could possibly take. Let me push this over here. One of the best trades ever. Like, it's just watch it come down. Watch it fall down slowly. Take back this liquidity. I mean, we could bump this up a tiny bit and just wait and see, baby. Wait and see. The reason why we did that is simple. This is a big downward move. You compare it to here. There's support here, but like whatever, support. In the market it matters, in Bitcoin it doesn't. But this is MNQ we're talking about here. NQ, MNQ. This came back up. It took back all of this liquidity. All of it. This whole area was swept, right? So we can honestly think, okay, very, very safe stop loss, like I said, is right here. Sorry, let me undo these drawings. I'm very messy with the drawings. Fuck it. You guys can see. Right here. Let me just get those out of here. Stop loss could be consistently in this area safely. But realistically, it was above this one. It was above this wick right here. Because that already came up and grabbed what it wanted. These are wide open. It might want some of that. So that's your play. Because you know if it breaks up here above this wick, then this whole short is kind of gone. So the risk to reward is massive here because there's only one of two things it's going to do. That's what you need to eliminate. Stop taking things where it could do multiple things. Stop having that tight of a stop loss, right? You're much better off having a bigger stop loss and only one or of two outcomes is happening, and it's more likely for your outcome to happen. So we were looking for this thing to come down and grab at least to 29,450 and get that fair value there. That's all we were looking for. We were out at 29.50. It did go down on it a little bit more, but all we cared about is boom, it grabs that. These are the best trades to take. There's nothing better than this. Because, okay, if it does go up and hits your stop, then so be it, man. So be it. But, I mean, you know it's probably coming down. And it held here, took the fair value, took the liquidity, and now it's just coming down. It's just simple. And then it broke that. Let's look at Bitcoin. I'm playing this on Bitcoin right now on a much bigger scale. It came up. Boom, 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 boom. Grabbed the liquidity. Bitcoin likes to do this. It was the weekend. Grabbed more. Now we're just targeting the break of this low. Triple bottom my ass. Banks have support here that they're going to wipe out because there's orders. But it's the same thing. Take it out. Wait for it. Set your stop above. Ours was 61,200. Like I said in my free signals, it did not get there. It came close. But now, so if it breaks this 6,900, we're out of the trade. That's our new stop. There's no reason for it to go above that. It already justified and determined that that's all it wanted. If it's going to go down now, this is such a high probability that this comes down, boom, and breaks through that. This is such a high probability. It's one of the most lock of a trades, like, because you know one of two things. If it breaks above 6,900, so be it. But if it goes down, especially on Bitcoin, this is like a 200% trade still. It's just massive risk to reward that most people don't have. Most people play market open and are like BS, like just waiting for some candle move and, oh, let's play it the other way, and have no realization of where the market is actually headed. All right, so this is just my first video. I know it's not super edited or anything, but be sure to subscribe, guys. I'm going to try to make a video at least every other day of this challenge. I'm going to post every trade, every loser, every winner. And we're up 300%. It's all publicly tracked. If you want to join along, I'll put the link somewhere for my free Telegram. I don't sell anything. I'm not a course seller or anything. Just join up, boys. I don't know. This is going to be a long run. And if I pull this off, then I'm the GOAT. And I know I can pull it off. I just have to be disciplined. So be sure to subscribe. Peace!